I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Revit version and saving a backup. This prevents lost work when changing display settings. Once done, close other GPU-heavy applications so Revit can apply UI changes smoothly. Next, open the application menu and choose Options. This is where UI themes live. You're beginning the actual change now, not just preparing. Make sure you're in the General tab so the theme and color settings are visible and ready for the next steps. Now change the theme. In Options under General, set the color scheme or theme to light or high contrast depending on your preference. This removes dark mode UI elements. Then open the Accessibility or Graphics section and manually set background and interface color swatches to lighter tones if needed. This fixes persistent dark palettes. After applying settings, click Apply. If Revit prompts for a restart, accept it so all UI elements reload with the new colors, and avoid mixed theme artifacts. Finish by inspecting active views and sheets to confirm backgrounds and dialog boxes are now light. If any windows still look dark, make sure you cleared the user and temporary Revit cache, then reopen the program. Sometimes cached color profiles cause lingering dark elements. If problems continue, repair the Revit installation via Control Panel or run a profile reset. Reinstall only as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip. Verify GPU driver and Windows theme aren't forcing dark colors, because external overrides often appear like Revit issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.